Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Teleprompter feature on CapCut Mobile to help you with video presentations and stuff like that. So select the prompter button up here, and here you can change the text of the prompt by pressing the pencil button here and just pressing clear all. You do have a maximum of 5,000 characters, I think. I'm just going to press down here. You can of course edit the text yourself. Here you can adjust these settings here of the prompter. You'll have the speed of the prompt. You'll have you can move it faster, you can move it slower, and you can also adjust the font size here and also the color of the font here as well. Versus I want this color. Okay, I can't press on it, but here you can, as you can see. And you can also move it around here, and you can just simply press the record button to record the video with the prompter. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!